Good morning, Miss. I will tell you about my experience out of my country. Since January 5th to January 10, 2018, I went to Chile in the city of Santiago for capacitation of machine and tools the company that I work products was a pleasant experience because I learned a lot and I developed in my work. Also, I went to Europe, to Italy, at the city of Rome, and was a pleasant experience too, because it's another culture, and the language was not so complicated like the English. Sure, when speak quiet the language in the city, I didn't understand very well. This happens in the years 2019, since I share my bedroom with one Argentine and one Canadian co-workers. They were so messy. I have been cleaning our bedroom before we are going to prepare our breakfast, because they never do anything. Even they didn't fix their bed. The English language for me was to be complicated because I didn't understand it. I think language should be practiced a lot by watching videos like movies or listen to music. Help a lot to listen and practice it new words. Finally, I would like to go to work to Germany, to the Munich city, because there are companies that produces cars, and I like the production work. The German language, it's complicated, but I think that practicing I could learn it. I agreed with the article of Emma Dawson. Good night, Miss.